Hi, everyone. It is our first week of Intro to Public Relations, and I'm Dr. VanSlette, and I'm excited to get started. This week, we sort of have to get in the groove of a fast-paced 5-week course, and there is a lot to do. This week, we have what is going to be a standard format of assignments. And so if you look on the Blackboard page, I've sort of posted under the About This Course Start Here tab, and it's also in the syllabus, but I've posted the course schedule under the Start Here About This Course tab because it's so important. You'll see that we have chapters to read. We have chapters 1 through 4. Those are all accessible online. There's a link on our Blackboard page called Revel, and it says textbook link there. So we have chapters 1 through 4 that you have to read. For each chapter, there is a chapter quiz, and there's also a shared writing assignment. So 4 of those, one for each chapter 1 through 4. And then you toggle back to our Blackboard page. There's a discussion board link in the menu, and we have discussion posts for week 1. And I have listed the instructions for discussion board posts on each week's discussion board forum. And so I explained that you'll reflect on the week's readings, and you should reference all of the chapters you read. So for week 1, it's 1 through 4. And you should reflect on or respond to what you read. So answer questions like, what did you learn about public relations? How do you see the PR strategies and campaigns you learned applying to your own life or to real world cases you see in the news? Did you read anything that either makes you more or less certain about pursuing a career in PR? And the target number is between 400 and 600 words in length for that reflection piece. Then after you do that, you have to respond to 2 of your classmates' reflection writings. So go in and read through what your classmates have written. It's just like as if we were sitting in a classroom together, right? We would talk about what we thought about the readings, and then you'd raise your hand and you'd say, I agree with that. That's a really good point. And here's why. I actually also found that interesting because X, Y, Z. So I explained in the discussion board prompts that these comments on your classmates' writings should be at least 50 words per response. And it should be something more than like a good job. I really enjoyed reading your reflection, or great point. So you have to actually state why you agree or something that you found similar and what that was. And so 50 words per response. That's a lot of words. And I want you to explain why you agree, why you thought their post was good, why you disagree. Disagreement is okay as long as we're civil, right? And so we're going to have both of those every week. So again, if you go back to the syllabus, which is so important, I hope you read my introductory or saw my introductory video. Have to read the syllabus very carefully. But again, the course schedule sort of stays the same every week. This week, week 1, we have chapters 1 through 4, chapter quizzes, shared writing assignments for the chapters, discussion post, reflection on readings, and then replies to 2 classmates, all due by Saturday, June 5th at 11:59 p.m. Now, this leads me to my second point, which is it's summer. We are all busy. We have stuff going on, and many of you are working jobs, and I encourage you, I push you to work ahead. Working ahead will save you. It will make your life so much easier if you work ahead in the book, in the online textbook, in the assignments, and if you get things done early. Too many times I've taught these summer courses that are so short already, they're very quick, and people will push the deadline, and then they'll get to the night of, and they'll have technical issues. Their Wi-Fi will go out. They'll be at a friend's house and will have forgotten their iPad. All of these things that come up in life happen and have the worst impact at the very last minute when you're pushing the deadline. And so also in the syllabus, you'll note 1 day late and you get 50% credit. After that, you will get no credit for late assignments because this class moves too fast for you to constantly having to be making up work. You'll always be behind. So don't be behind, work ahead. And that's my word of advice. If you know you're going to go out of town on a weekend, then work ahead, finish your work. Do not go on vacation and then find out, oops, I have no Wi-Fi, because that happens all the time in the summer. So don't do that because there cannot be exceptions for everyone, okay? So you've heard my spiel for week 1. Sort of get into that rhythm of working on all of these different platforms, the Revel platform, the discussion boards are on our Blackboard platform. And if you have any issues with Revel, I wouldn't be surprised, frankly. Let me know immediately. So log into Revel immediately. And if you have access issues, can't see the textbook, can't access the quizzes or the special writing assignments, let me know immediately so I can get to the Pearson people and tell them that their website is malfunctioning for you. Okay, so have a great day and let me know if you have any questions. Work ahead. Bye.